How many of you are really fed up attending many seminars but still not getting profits? How many of you are experienced in market but still F&O market is not giving you money? How many of you are freshers in market but want to learn the secrets of making 50,000 to 30 lakh plus in 1 month, a return of whopping over 5,913% per month? Yes, all these are possible only through option trading made easy. I am CA Rudramurthy, a chartered accountant by hobby, but professionally I am a trader, not just a trader but a successful trader and a transparent trainer who wants to teach and impart all the practical knowledge of trading futures and option market. Friends, I know many of you are seeing the profit M to M mark to market screenshots, but most of you don't know these profit screenshots are just advertisements to attract many of you, but still there are few screenshots which are truly deservable for you people to understand the reality and attend the training courses transparently and learn how to make tons of money using the concepts of Rudralogy and option trading made easy. Now, I'm here to tell you whenever you see any screenshot of profit, you have to see whether that screenshot of profit is disclosing transparently everything. I repeat, it should disclose what? Everything. It should disclose buying quantity, selling quantity, buying price, selling price, name of the trader. Is it there in the name? My trade is in Rudramurthy account, not in some client account, because you can easily lose client's money and say client that markets are like this, but can you trade in your name and then show the proof? And it is not showing all trades together of all clients, it is showing just Rudramurthy name. And this M2M profits should not just be M2M profits, it should even disclose everything transparently, including the quantity, the price at which bought sold, and then it should become a full transparent statement. Along with all this, please don't see only the front office terminals profit. Can you also see the contract note and ledger? Because the contract note and ledger is showing you clearly how much money has been made after charging security transaction tax, after charging GST, stamp duty, exchange transaction taxes, turnover charges, whatsoever. After all the charges, what is the profit made? Many people show big M2M profit, but when you do option writing, do understand lot of charges you have to pay in terms of not just brokerage, because you might only pay 20 rupee brokerage, but don't ignore security transaction tax, turnover charges and all, which is very huge. And if you do huge quantity, you end up paying huge charges. The M2M profit what is shown to you in screenshot is not after deducting all these charges. So always ask for profits net after all charges whatsoever. What is the money coming to my bank account? That is what you have to see. And in this screen clearly below I have shown you that I have made a profit of 25 lakh 5,506 rupees today. Over 25 lakh profit today, and with a capital of just 5 lakh. And this capital of 5 lakh giving 25 lakh profit is just for pure intraday trade. No positions have been carried, and also I have done some cash market buying, because whatever profits I make in F&O market, minimum 50% of that I buy quality shares and hold it for long term. All these secrets and more if you want to learn, you have to just do two programs. One, the upcoming program option trading made easy on August 25th and 26th in Bangalore. Live you will be learning everything from the trader myself, professional and qualified, more transparent trader, that is CA Rudramurthy. Now, after doing this program, if someone wants to still be highly professional and do a lot of day trading and learn market profile, order flow, and Rudralogy, for you, yes, another program called Rudralogy might be still required. Now you have to understand that these money, whatever you are making, is after all charges, a return, whatever I have made now, is a whopping whopping return of over 400%, or indirectly if you even take capital, it's a return of over 500%. 5 lakh capital turning into 25 lakh plus, trading bank nifty options with quantity, with price, and with M2M profit, all charges excluded. Contract note is what you are seeing. And how many of you here wants to make whopping 500% return intraday? Just tell me yes. I know your answer is definitely yes. I know you're just asking yourself that is it true? I have disclosed to you the complete contract note, the complete ledger with quantity, with buy price, with sell price, with return on investment, and nothing else more than this can be transparent. Now, you will say, I may not have 5 lakh, how to make 25 lakh intraday? Even if you had just 1 lakh rupee, 5 times is 5 lakh. How many of you are happy if 1 lakh becomes 5 lakh, intraday trade, transparent, after all charges? Now you can raise your hand. If you say, sir, 50,000 to 2 lakh 50,000 is what I have to make. Now again I'm asking you, are you happy with that return of over 500%? Yes, all these are possible. If you are committed, no one can stop you from you earning that money except you yourself. And in this special option trading made easy program happening this August 25th and 26th, I am giving 100% guarantee without any conditions apply that you will learn everything required in futures and option market, irrespective of whether you are a fresher, experienced, your age, woman, men. Are you committed? Do you have an open mind? And do you have a dream to make tons of money and big money in the shortest possible time? Intraday trade return of over 500%. How many of you feel you have to be in this program? Tell me. Yes. For all those people who are joining to this special program, I am charging just a fees of 59,999, including everything: your study material, your food, your coffee snacks break, and in and out of special bonuses, whatever you are getting. Every detail is available in www.rudralogy.in website. Online you can register immediately. What are you waiting for? Right now click www.rudralogy.in. Get all the information completely available in the site itself and make the registration online. Right now click it. And those who are worried, I'm saying see the value. If you can make 25 lakh rupees per day with a capital of 5 lakh, if you can make a whopping return of over 500%, if you can make your 1 lakh, 5 lakh in just an intraday trade, after all charges I'm talking, then this is the program what you want to attend for, and I am giving a special discount of another 10,000 rupee for all those who are ready to retweet and spread the right financial literacy along with me. And all of you who are there here should retweet, should forward this video and tell everyone. Whenever someone shows you an M2M profit screenshot, don't just ask for screenshot, look at complete transparency. What is that? Complete transparency. You will be asking for buy quantity, sell quantity, buy price, sell price, and you will be asking for contract note and ledger. All other charges has to be deducted. Turnover charge, security transaction charge, GST, brokerage, everything deducted. Net, what is the money you have made? The net money what I have made is this amount of over 25 lakh and return of over 500%. Now, answer lies with you, and you know what program and what course you have to do to make a difference and change in your life. Are you ready for it? If yes, right now click www.rudralogy.in, and after reading all available information there, if you want more, and any doubts you have, and even if you want to talk to me directly, those who want to talk to me about the program directly, you can definitely call 9663258258. Don't miss, because it's a limited offer. 50 seats I will be stopping, and already registration of 38 seats are done. 12 more seats remaining. If you miss August 25th and 26th, later ask me when is the next program. It may not happen for another year. I am not doing every week programs at different place, because Rudralogy and option trading made easy are special signature programs which teaches my trading secrets to every one of you. Click right now, register right now before seats are over, and let me see you all on August 25th and 26th. Anyone who shows for contract note, ask for complete transparency. Do forward, do retweet. See you all back on August 25th and 26th. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye. Happy trading day. Mint tons of money.